The deal has been announced, the deal that has been cemented. JP Associates sells the Gujarat cement plant to Ultratech. Awaiting more details as we speak right now. It has announced the deal to sell its cement plant to Ultratech Cements. Let's get in our researchers and our reporters mic'd up for more details on that deal. This was in the making for about a year now, and of course it has come true. We've been reporting on this story all this while. The key thing will be to look at valuations and how that has happened. Okay, it will pay about 3,800 crore rupees for JP Associates Gujarat cement unit. Remember, the capacity there is about 4.8 million ton, and that is a very, very key, crucial driver, because of which Kumar Mangalam Birla has actually gone ahead and cemented this deal with JP Associates. On your screens right now, really the big story. It's a done deal. It's a deal that has been cemented. JP Associates will sell the Gujarat cement plant to Ultratech Cements for 3,800 crore rupees. Navneet joins us from our research desk to take that story forward. 3,800 crore rupees, anything other than that is what we are picking up right now, Navneet?
Well, Supriya, if you take that enterprise value of 3,800, the EV per ton comes to about $125 per ton. Remember last time when CRH was supposed to acquire the company at about 4,200, the valuations were coming at about $160 per ton, but yet again that time rupee was hovering at about 54, 55. So the deal has happened in the same value what probably CRH was offering that time. So $125 sounds pretty good, because the replacement cost as of now in the industry is of about $130 per ton. But like another research analyst was just mentioning about that, the deal is actually beneficial for Ultratech. No cash is going out of Ultratech's book, but they will be taking over the debt of JP Cement. Remember, JP Cement overall has a debt of about over 9,000 crore, out of which they need to pay about 3,000 crore to JP Associates. So by acquiring stake in the Gujarat plant, where they will be issuing shares to the shareholders of JP Cement. Remember, that entity remains, that is an unlisted entity, and they will be issuing shares of only to the tune of about 150 crore. So no cash goes out. They will be only issuing shares of worth 150. So little bit of equity dilution will take place. But yes, the debt burden which JP Cement has, that will be taken care of Ultratech. That's what we are getting at the moment.